10th graders, I am so excited to let you know that on Tuesday, February 2nd, and Thursday, February 4th, we will be filming you doing your 2-minute presentation of your exhibition for Personal Project 2021. So this will be great because we have an expert on staff that will be filming you. Some students have to film themselves, but you get to stand in front of a green screen and do your best, and we'll make you look great. There are a few things we need to go over. Remember, what are you talking about? I gave you some presentation prompts. You can add some other things that you want to say, but make sure that you're hitting these prompts in 2 minutes. Without reading it, state and explain what your goal is. Why is your project important, or what do you hope people to learn? What skills did you develop? You can think about those ATLs in particular. Think about a learner profile trait. What did you learn from your project that might help you in the future? And something interesting or fun that occurred during your project, something all you that you can share with us. Now, we do have to go over some professional dress requirements. And yes, you can wear professional dress. As you remember, in years past, people got really dressed up for this. You can dress up and come to school. However, professional dress is always uniform. Your uniform is perfectly acceptable if you would rather wear that. If you are doing the professional dress route, no bare shoulders, please. You can wear clothing that's particular to your project. Say if you were a chef and you want to wear a chef coat, you can certainly do that. Within reason, no bare shoulders. Oh, that was so important, I put it twice. No bare shoulders. If you wear a skirt, it has to be longer than fingertip length. Let's see, no high heels for girls because we will be walking around all day doing our regular thing. So please, no high heels. No jeans or t-shirts. Students that are wearing clothes that are particular to that project, like I talked about, like that chef jacket, you need to put those on at school. You will not be allowed to wear that all day. You can't have low-cut shirts, rips, or tears, or crop tops, and no offensive language or imagery on your clothing. All right. That said, let me know if you have any questions about what you can wear, about what your presentation prompts are, or anything else. Oh, but wait, there's more. Do you have to have your prompts memorized? No, what we're going to do is project your prompts behind you with your notes so that you can look at those behind you. And if you get a little nervous, it'll help you get back on track. So mind you, you don't want to read through those because we all know that that's boring to hear somebody read something word for word, but that will be there to aid you. So don't have them memorized, just be able to kind of talk pretty fluently towards those prompts that I gave you. And I wanted to show you where you can upload your notes so that we can have them all ready when you stand up and do your presentation for filming. Let's look. Assignments is where I put the folder. And one of your assignments says Personal Project Exhibition 2020. That should actually say, oh, there we go, 2021 Personal Project Exhibition Notes. That's much better. That's what I wanted. And that's where you're going to drop your notes. 2021 Personal Project Exhibition Notes. Then I'll be able to pull them up on the screen behind you and you'll be able to read those. So if you have any questions, please email me. Remember, you will be ready on Tuesday, February 2nd, to go and to be filmed. Don't worry, we're going to take a few minutes to practice. So, if you're not being filmed, you'll be sitting in the hallway and you'll be practicing with your friends and working through this. So, it'll be kind of a fun day, a little different than our normal grueling writing and peer feedback. We still have to do that, but I hope this will be a lot of fun. So, get your notes posted on this 2021 Personal Project Exhibition Notes. I'll remind you when you get into class so that you are all ready to film exhibition. So I will talk to you later. Have a great day, guys.